potato chip factory. This is a place that's been on my radar for several years. I've never had an opportunity to stop, but today's the day. So I look forward to it. Come along, let's see what we can find. This is something that I didn't even know existed, and it's a cinnamon and sugar potato chip.
So what do you think?
It's surprising. It's sweet but mild, pretty good, impressive. So here we've got Mama Zuma's, and I believe Mama Zuma's Revenge, and these are their super hot and spicy. It smells good. I'm a little scared. So, I think I've contained myself from the super spicy there, which let me say is really good, really good. And if you guys see this little tray of chips, they will give you a sample of anything that you ask for, and they very generously said yes when I said I would like to sample them all. Now, I thought they were going to give me a single chip of each one, but instead they gave me a bag of each one, so I am looking forward to trying each one. This place is really pretty impressive. So while they ask that you don't take video or pictures of the actual production area, we were able to see that, and it really is pretty impressive. And you can see that here. It's a big room that you can look through the windows, and they give you all the details and a little story of how they're made and how many pounds per day. I think it was 50,000 pounds per day that they process. And then it takes 20 seconds to peel 100 pounds of potatoes, and they fry them in 42 seconds. And then any of the flavors that are on the top are hand mixed, and so we were able to watch that happening. And another thing of note here is that the salt that they use on the chips is real salt, and if you guys have not heard of real salt, you should look into that too. It's a high quality American salt that's made in Utah, so real salt, check that out. So it did impress me that the Route 11 potato chip factory bothers to use really high quality ingredients. So this kind is a sweet potato chip. Never had one of those before. Also very good. This one's a crab chip. Wow. You really get the crab flavor in that. I haven't met a chip I didn't like here so far, and I can't really say that about all chips. This is a basic sour cream. Salt and vinegar. Now that's got some punch. Dill pickle chip. Wow. Now that puts a smile on my face. I love the opportunity to sample all of these because these are not necessarily something that I personally would choose to pull off the shelf, but I'm completely delighted by every one of these. Salt and pepper. Not my favorite, but the pepper is very mild, and so if you are a pepper fan, I think this would be something that you'd enjoy. Barbecue. Who doesn't love a barbecue potato chip now and then? Delightful. And a very basic final one. So this one is lightly salted. The plainest, but still probably always my all-time favorite. I am so thankful that we did stop at the Route 11 Potato Chip Factory today. You can see on the wall here, they've got a lot to choose from. They're interesting, they're tasty, they're well made, they're local. Shop local is a big value, and I just think this is a sweet place. It's the kind of place that you should take your kids on a field trip. Great for homeschool groups, and great for just travelers who are passing by and want an interesting little stop. So, Route 11 Potato Chips in Mount Jackson, Virginia. You should come.